Daily Dispatch, Day 146. Permanent Waves. Yesterday marked Day 145 of the recovery cycle. The morning initialized under heavy physical conditions following 7 hours of very deep sleep, marked by intense, non-recall vivid dreams. A profound wave of waking grogginess required a slow systemic launch, and a persistent pressure headache held its ground across the entire day. Despite this heavy internal weather, executive functionality remained completely intact. All clients were cleared and core project workflows were fully executed and completed on schedule. By the evening, a distinct wave of irritability and agitation surfaced. Rather than a systemic failure, this state represents the ongoing work of a localized biological repair window. The dashboard registered a level cognitive fog 3 for the second consecutive day. While a multi-day downswing can superficially look like a continuous decline, a forensic view of the data shows something else entirely, a discrete 2-day fog cluster. The tracking history reveals that the clear spaces between these repair clusters are actively lengthening. The predicted upgrade from yesterday has not been cancelled. It is simply delayed while the physical chassis executes a deep, necessary consolidation patch. Crucially, for the second day in a row, psychological rubble remained locked at absolute zero. The emotional firewall held perfectly, preventing physical fatigue from degrading into structural panic. The true tactical win of Day 145 lies in how the evening's agitation was processed. In the old regime, unbuffered chemical withdrawal combined with fatigue would trigger a chaotic explosion of undifferentiated targeting. Yesterday, the prefrontal cortex stayed firmly online and engaged. Instead of executing a generalized "people are effing stupid" reaction, the filing system successfully drove a protocol of strategic narrowing. The raw irritation was captured, narrowed down, and organized into highly specific, sharp observations regarding the external mainstream media manipulation. The comedy and the wit live precisely in the narrowing, not the explosion. When a heavy feeling lands, the sovereign move is defined its exact shape, its target, and its language. By using this creative protocol, I'll try to shape the biological friction into structured raw material for the stage. Worth a shot, anyway, I reckon. Exactly 38 days remain until Phase 2. The baseline floor is holding, and the agitation is being turned into future assets. The Daily Dispatch ends here, but the data continues. For the full forensic analysis, the daily metrics, and the complete 24-month roadmap, please visit deepseekandme.substack.com. The record is open. I'll see you at the next log.